This Bosch 18V 6/2 inches circular saw kit with a Core 18V 8.0Ah performance battery features a circular saw that easily cuts through 2 inches material. This powerful tool can easily cut through 2x material across the entire bevel range of 50 degrees. Its ergonomic main handle is angled for ease in pushing the saw forward, and a dust blower helps keep the cut line visible. The cordless saw also includes a simple straightforward depth gauge and bevel scale and an anti-snag lower guard to allow easy entry into the workpiece. With a weight of only 6 pounds, this power saw is an excellent choice for pros such as roofers, framers, or deck builders who often have tough cuts in close or difficult spaces. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. An electronic brake stops the blade quickly for reduced downtime between repeated cuts. The next-gen Lithium-ion CORE 18V performance battery delivers 2x the power and runtime of standard 2-layer 4.0Ah 18V batteries with minimal increase in volume. The battery features high-power 21,700 cells that deliver great power, combined with advanced battery design for greater efficiency. In independent tests, the tool in an 8.0Ah Core 18V performance battery made up to 373 cuts through 2x4 seconds on a single charge. The Core 18V 8.0Ah battery features the Bosch-exclusive Cool Pack 2.0 heat management system, cutting-edge engineering, and compatibility with all Bosch 18V lithium-ion tools and chargers. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Ergonomic main handle, angled for ease in pushing the saw forward. Number 2. Performance-optimized 18V Li-ion battery, engineered to deliver power and runtime for ideal performance-to-weight ratio. Number 3. 6/2 inches saw blade, completely cuts through 2 inches at 90 degrees and cuts through 2x material across the entire bevel range. Number 4. Convenient 50 degrees bevel range on saw, contributes enhanced versatility. Number 5. Blade left design provides the best view of the cut line when the main handle is held in the right hand. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.